The next thing I want to point out is variables must be declared. If I did not declare string name, I would get a syntax error. Notice how it's not squiglified, but it's turned into red. If I try to compile it by hitting F5, I get syntax errors saying that name does not exist in the current context. That's because we have to define name before we use it. The order of the definition of variables is also significant. If I were to declare a name down at the bottom of this method, I also get a syntax error. In this case, I get a different error. It says that cannot use variable name before it's declared, but it's a syntax error regardless. So again, you must declare all your variables before you use them. As far as style goes, I might want to recommend people declare all the variables at the top of the method because it makes it a little bit easier to read through your code if you're new to writing code.